cause and effect. Cause here, one major cause is human action. Human action comes from human motivation, human thought. So you see, the word happy thought is a very right word. So in order to develop happy thought, not through just prayer or even meditation, just meditation, usually you see people get the impression, meditation means close your eye and try to maintain some kind of thoughtlessness. During the meditation, maybe a short while, some kind of peace or tranquility. But after that meditation, when we face the reality, problems always remain. So therefore, you see, the real sort of, the happy thought comes combination, wisdom, or using human intelligence, and combined with human warm-heartedness. Through that way, we can develop happy thought.